What I've got here is the Tonor T20 Studio Boom Arm, which costs around £25 online. Something that I actually wanted on my desk while carrying out voice recordings. Now inside the box what you get is a 2-year warranty card. Instructions on how to assemble the boom stand, which looks pretty straightforward. An adjustable pop filter. Velcro straps for the microphone wiring and some fixings, which we'll come to that in a minute. We also got a microphone muff, and here we got a solid built desk clamp that also has a hook rest for your headset. And finally we got the boom arm, all made out of durable steel. Comes with a standard 3x8 inch to 5.8 inch adapter. It is suitable for most microphones like the Blue Yeti, Blue Snowball Ice, Rode NT1 and many more. So at this end is where you slot the stand to the clamp, and the other end to the microphone. Let's get this installed. Attach the clamp to your desk. The inner part of the clamp has a foam piece so it won't damage your table at all. Slot in the arm and adjust the tensions using the knob. Now this piece is to attach the normal microphones, which I don't have as I'm using the Blue Yeti microphone. So screw in the adapter and screw it into the arm firmly, adjusting the side knob too. It's looking good so far. Now attach the pop filter and you're done. After the setup, the design and build quality I'm looking at, I'm totally satisfied with. Easily can be taken off when cleaning the desk. You can maneuver the microphone in position which best suits you. The boom stand can swivel 360 degrees and has an upward suspension. Now my setup looks even more organized and professional. There are cheaper models out there online, but if you're looking for quality from packaging to a product of a microphone boom arm, then check this out guys. Take care, peace.